Hi everyone! Want your YouTube videos to get more clicks and rank higher? Copy AI can help you write a catchy and keyword-rich descriptions in seconds. Let's get started. First, log into your Copy AI account. Then here in the dashboard, click plus create new and choose chat. Then, in chat, type a detailed prompt like this. Write a YouTube video description for your specific title or topic. Then include a relevant keywords and a call action and hashtags. And if you're using a workflow, search for YouTube video description generator template. Then here can fill in your video title, main topic, keywords, and desired tone. The Copy AI will generate instantly and provide a suggestions about the description for your video. Then you can now tweak it for your personal style and copy and paste it in your YouTube upload page. And that's it. With Copy AI, you can turn a blank description into a powerful tool for views and engagement in seconds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.